things in this world that I'm obsessed with: cryptocurrency and internet privacy. And in this video, I'm going to show you a rapidly growing project that lets you keep your internet browsing private and lets you earn crypto in the process without investing anything other than the time you're already using. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Sean from Crypto for the 99%. I hope you're all doing well during these ridiculously trying pandemic times. I know I'm trying to. In the video today, I'm going to show you a project that I am more excited about than most other projects in the cryptocurrency space right now. But before we get started, I'd be totally humbled if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button right below this video and click on that little bell icon to be notified so you don't miss when I upload new content to the channel. Now, chances are you're on this channel right now using one of the big-time web browsers, whether that be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or hopefully not Microsoft Edge. Ew. But no matter which of those browsers you're currently using, you've surely noticed one glaring thing: ads. Lots and lots of ads. So many ads, in fact, that even the basic loading of a website can sometimes take way longer than it should. But even worse than just those intrusive ads are the ad trackers. These are the things that you can't see when you're browsing the internet, but they're what's responsible for showing you those freakishly targeted ads for things that you could have sworn you were only thinking about in your head and not actually searching for. The digital advertising market has become so much of a surveillance mechanism that privacy on the internet is almost a foregone pipe dream at this point. When you browse the web with Chrome or Firefox or whatever it is you're using, every word you type, every link you click, every ad you see, even your IP address, is being harvested and stored by big tech and sold to all manner of third-party companies who are profiting wildly off you. Data has actually become a bigger commodity than oil, and you are the product that is making other companies billions. Hundreds of billions of dollars are being thrown into the digital advertising every year. And how much of that money actually goes to you, the person that's the actual product? Simple answer: none. Not a single penny. Your attention on the internet is fattening a lot of wallets other than your own. And in the process, a significant portion of your identity and your life in general is being sold to companies so that they can make even more money off of you. The good news is it doesn't have to be that way, and that is where the Brave browser comes in. I personally have been using the Brave browser since about September of 2019, and I will never turn back, ever, for any reason. So if you're already convinced, hopefully you are, there's a link below in the description where you can download it. Otherwise, if you're not convinced yet, just hear me out for a few minutes. The Brave project, which is the company behind this, was created by somebody who is very well known in the tech industry, and his name is Brendan Eich. I'll mention him again a little later in this video, but to spare all of the dirty details, for those of you who don't know, Brendan Eich is the creator of the Mozilla Foundation, who eventually created Mozilla Firefox, and he's also the inventor of the JavaScript programming language. And for non-techie people, the JavaScript programming language is the most used language on the web, and I believe last time I saw it fuels over 85% of all websites on the internet. Obviously, I can't quote that statistic, but it's pretty close. I'm almost positive. But let's talk about the browser itself. So fundamentally, the Brave browser is just that. It's a web browser. But going deeper than just the aesthetics, the Brave project aims to completely change the landscape of digital advertising and give the power back to us, the users. It does this first through privacy. While Chrome and other browsers have privacy settings available, those settings are not enabled by default until you actually go in there and configure them yourselves. And I'm a tech guy, and speaking for myself, for anybody who has ever tried to go in there to make the settings private, they are less than straightforward to configure, to say the least. Brave does this by default. From the first second you download Brave, all of the data grabbing ads and ad trackers that plague almost every website on the internet are blocked completely without you having to configure anything. And your browsing data history never leaves the browser, ever. Not to any third-party company, not even to Brave themselves. And besides just the privacy improvements of the browser, the blocking of ads and trackers immediately makes your browsing 3 to 6 times faster than with any other browser available. And if you download it and start using it, you will notice the difference immediately. Even better, and this is for super techie nerds like myself, for those people who are super privacy and anonymous people out there who like to visit the deep web, the Tor browser is built right into Brave and can be opened on a new tab without even having to open another browser at all. For all of the non-techie people who are not familiar with Tor, I won't go into the really filthy details of it, but the long story short, what Tor does is it reroutes your browsing activity through a number of different servers all around the world and encrypts and anonymizes your activity. It's beautiful, and I might actually do a future video on Tor and all of the reasons that you should be using Tor also, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it later. Now, privacy and speed alone are more than enough reason to use Brave. It really is. But it gets even better after that. So earlier I mentioned that Brave, out of the box, blocks ads and trackers. And it does. However, they've also built something into the browser called Brave Rewards, and the native cryptocurrency of Brave Rewards is the basic attention token, which is a crypto token that has real value and is purchasable and sellable on basically every major exchange possible. What Brave Rewards does is actually allows you to opt in to what they call their Brave experience. By turning on Brave Rewards, you allow the browser to serve you ads. And in return, when you view those ads, you are paid in basic attention token every time you view an ad. You can set the number of ads that you see per hour, and right now you can set it to up to 5 ads per hour. And the beauty of this ad experience is that the ads are not your typical ads that are just plastered on any web page you visit. They are served to you in the form of notifications that pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you want to view the ad, you just click on the notification, the ad opens in a new browser tab, you get paid in basic attention token when you view it. If you don't want to view it, you just close the notification and go on about your day. It's that easy. The ads are non-intrusive and served only as frequently as you decide they are when you opt in. But honestly, if you don't opt into Brave Rewards, you're literally leaving money on the table. The browser allows you to keep control of your data and actually earn for your attention while you're browsing the internet, hence the name Brave Attention Token. Brave Rewards also do something for creators also. So content creators like bloggers and streamers and YouTube channels or news websites or really any website in general where somebody's creating content, the browser allows them to become Brave verified. So what that means is when a content creator is verified, they are able to accept tips of basic attention token from other users of the Brave browser. So if we look right now, when you're using the browser, you'd notice a triangle up top with a check mark up in the address bar. That check mark means that this specific website is a Brave verified creator. And obviously this is the Brave website, so obviously they are a Brave verified creator. But when you see this, you can literally click on that and send them a tip in basic attention token without even, not only leaving the browser, without even leaving the page that you're on. It's a perfect system for users to be rewarded for browsing the internet and viewing ads and tipping creators with those tokens. When you like a creator, the ability to tip them is actually really nice. Without having to bust out a credit card, without having to link a bank account, you can tip them in the native token of the browser. Easy peasy. So really, what Brave is doing is making internet life better for both users and creators. But fair warning, no, you are not going to make life-changing money by just using the Brave browser. I'm a pretty active guy. I spend a lot of time on the internet, more than probably most do. And in the span of an average month, I probably earn between 40 and 50 basic attention token. So if we look at CoinMarketCap, which is the site that I usually use to look at crypto and token prices, we can actually see that basic attention token right now is worth about 20.6 cents per token. If you do the math, that means in a typical month with 40 to 50 tokens, I will usually earn between $8 and $10 a month. Now, that's not a lot of money, obviously. That's not a lot of money for most people. But think of it this way. How much was Google Chrome paying me? Nothing. Not a damn thing. And the beautiful thing about this token is that the more people that use Brave browser, the higher demand there will be for the token, and the higher the token price will go. That's just common economics right there. When I started using the browser, in fact, in September of 2019, the price of a single basic attention token was about 16 cents. I think it was about 16.1 cents was the price. So since then, it's gone up 4 cents a token, which also is not a lot of money. But when you're earning 40 to 50 tokens a month over the span of 8 or 9 months, it becomes a little bit bigger than it seems. Plus, I fully believe in the success of this project. And this project has just gotten bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger since September when I got in. And I'm almost positive they are primed to continue to go well up from this 20 cents a token. So at the end of the day, I'm making $8 to $10 a month, which while not a lot of money, I'm making that money by just continuing to do what I've always been doing, browsing the internet. What's even better, though, and this is one of my favorite things, is for beginners especially who haven't entered the market yet, the Brave browser allows you to earn crypto and enter the crypto market without having to actually invest anything other than the time you're already spending on the internet. You don't have to invest any money to earn this crypto, and doing what you're already doing for however long you're doing it is actually going to earn you that crypto, which has real value. And let's face it, it's common sense here. The more people who use Brave, the less power that the privacy-violating advertising companies have. And the more people who enter the crypto market, the better the crypto market will be for everyone involved. It's literally a win-win for all of us. On top of what you can earn, one thing that Brave also likes to do on occasion is token grants. What a token grant is for them is that occasionally you will log in, you will open your browser, and Brave will have just dropped 20 to 30 tokens into your account. And all you have to do is click a button to accept it, and it's 20 to 30 free tokens. It doesn't happen on any type of a schedule. It does happen a few times throughout the year, but it's awfully nice to just see an extra couple dozen tokens appear in your wallet in addition to everything you've already earned. Who would say no to that? Seriously. There's also, the last thing is a new feature that Brave just rolled out in their browser, and I believe it was last month. But Binance, which is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, is now integrated directly into the Brave browser. So if you have an account on Binance already, or being the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, if you planned on having an account with them in the future, you can now purchase several different cryptocurrencies from this little widget without even leaving the browser. Now, the list is small at the moment since the widget just rolled out, but you can see the big ones are here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, obviously basic attention token, XRP, Binance Coin, Bitcoin Cash. And the list, I assure you, will grow much larger in the future. So really, there's no reason to not use the Brave browser. It blocks ads and trackers. It's 3 to 6 times faster than Chrome and Firefox. It pays you, and it's absolutely free. It requires no investment whatsoever other than installing it and using it. So, if you're convinced now, I've put the link to download the browser in the video description below, so go download it and check it out. And I can almost guarantee you that if you do, your internet browsing experience will be immediately and vastly improved, more than you know. Browser is available for any platform, so Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, and it's even available for iOS and Android, making it possible for you to earn rewards on both your computer and your phone. So, at the end of the day, there are 3 things that actually, so there's a theme that I'm going to repeat on this channel a lot in the future. The best crypto coins do a minimum of 3 things. They fulfill an actual need, they have an actual use case, and they have a strong team behind them. And the Brave project meets all 3 of these. First, it fulfills a huge need by fixing the completely and utterly broken digital advertising industry. And it fulfills 2 needs at the same time: the pervasive lack of privacy plaguing pretty much every other browser available. Second, it has an actual use case in that the Brave browser is an actual product. It is currently being used by in excess of 10 million people, and its user base is growing at a rapid rate. And third, it's got Brendan Eich behind it, which we talked about earlier. He's a respected guy in the world of tech who has a great history behind him. But the third point is the team, and what Brendan Eich has done has put together an outstanding team of people that are continuously developing and improving this project and making it better and better every single day. It fulfills all 3 needs that you should look for in a cryptocurrency. So, with that being said, click that link in the description to download Brave browser. You won't regret it. I'm excited as hell about this project, and I'm pretty sure after downloading and using the product yourself, you will be as excited as I am about it too. And as always, if you have any questions or thoughts about the video, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, stay safe, and I will see you all next time.